Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1987 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL Roadster. Two tops. Finished in blue. It's got a blue interior. Seats have been recovered too. Air blows nice and cold. Power antenna works. Radio works. All the lights and signals and everything else work nice. A 4.5 liter fuel injected motor under the hood. Take you around the block real quick. There are tons of receipts, including the original owner's manuals. $86,251 miles. Air blows nice and cold. It is really hot here today too. Looks like all the gauges are working, except for the clock. Great oil pressure. Good temp. Speedo's not working. It's easy fixed up. Cracks in the dash. Radio comes on too. I couldn't get a signal though. Antennas work. Got a custom console here. We have the tools to take the top off as well. Plenty of power. Love the blue too. Very cool. These cars really move too when you lay in on the gas. Well, guys, check out my website. I took about 200 photos today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Thank you.